Everyone thinks the best-selling kitchen investments are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Granite Cleaning and Sealing Logbook. We have the Granite Cleaning and Sealing Logbook by J. Astorga, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention here is the idea of having a dedicated logbook for maintaining your granite surfaces. If you want to preserve your granite investment for years to come, this is worth a serious look. This logbook isn't just a pretty notebook. It's designed to help you track when and how often you clean and seal your granite. Keeping your surfaces in top shape can save you from costly repairs down the line. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Granite is durable, but can stain or dull over time if not maintained properly. This logbook can help prevent those headaches by reminding you of important maintenance tasks. Now, some people might say that a logbook is just a piece of paper and not essential. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who values your kitchen investment, having a record can really help keep your surfaces looking new. It's like a health tracker for your countertops. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner who wants to maintain their granite surfaces. Skip this one if you don't have granite and don't plan on investing in it. At under $10, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Now, if keeping track of maintenance isn't your thing, the next product might actually be even better for you in terms of kitchen organization.
Product number 2, Kitchen Table Economics and Investing. We have Kitchen Table Economics and Investing by Damian Lillicrop, available for $12.99. I found this book intriguing because it combines practical financial advice with everyday kitchen scenarios. If you want to better understand how to manage your kitchen budget effectively, this is worth a serious look. This book dives into how to budget your grocery spending and optimize your kitchen investments. It connects the dots between economic principles and your daily cooking, helping you make smarter financial choices. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Understanding kitchen economics can lead to significant savings over time. Imagine cutting your grocery bill by 20% just by being more mindful of your spending. Plus, it's available digitally, so you can access it anytime. Now, some readers might feel that a book about economics sounds a bit dry and not directly relevant to cooking. But here's the thing. If you've ever wondered why your grocery costs seem to rise every month, this book gives real insights that could really change your financial game. This is perfect for you if you're struggling to manage your kitchen budget effectively. Skip this one if you're already a finance whiz. At under $15, it's a solid investment in your kitchen literacy. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list is all about transforming your kitchen design.
Product number 3, Kitchen Renovation Step by Step. The third product is Kitchen Renovation Step by Step by the Digital Builder, which is free right now. What caught my eye is the comprehensive nature of this guide, especially with a detailed budget breakdown. If you want a clear path to renovating your kitchen without overspending, this is worth a serious look. This guide provides a complete roadmap for remodeling your kitchen, including real costs that people have faced. It breaks down the entire process so you can manage your expectations and avoid common pitfalls. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Renovating can be daunting, but having a step-by-step plan makes it feel achievable. Plus, with the total investment listed at £32,946, knowing how to budget each step is crucial. Now, some might find that a free guide lacks depth or professional insight, but here's the thing. This guide is packed with practical tips from real experiences that can save you thousands if you're planning a renovation. This is perfect for you if you're considering a kitchen remodel but feel overwhelmed by the options. Skip this one if you're not planning any renovations anytime soon. Since it's free, there's really no reason not to check it out. If you're looking for something a bit more focused on meal prep rather than renovation, keep watching because the next one might just hit the mark.
Product number 4, Kitchen Table War Room. We have Kitchen Table War Room by Terrence Henry, which is also free right now. This book caught my attention because it focuses on financial freedom through cryptocurrency strategies, and it's tailored for everyday kitchen discussions. If you want to explore innovative financial strategies while cooking, this is worth a serious look. This book is about integrating cryptocurrency into your financial planning, which may seem far-fetched for a kitchen setting, but think about it. Having a plan for your finances could allow you to spend more time enjoying meals rather than worrying about bills. Here's why this matters for you specifically. As the economy evolves, understanding digital currencies can put you ahead of the curve. Plus, a solid financial strategy can lead to more freedom in your spending choices. Now, some people might feel that cryptocurrency is too risky or complicated. Here's the thing.
If you're open to learning and adopting, this could be a fresh perspective on managing your kitchen budget. This is perfect for you if you're curious about cryptocurrency and want to incorporate that knowledge into your everyday life. Skip this one if you're not interested in financial strategies. Since it's free, it's definitely worth checking out. Now, if you're looking for something that can simplify meal prep, let's take a look at the final product on our list.
Product number 5, Cooking for One. We have Cooking for One by America's Test Kitchen, priced at $14.52. This book intrigued me because it addresses a common problem, cooking for just one person. If you want to minimize waste and maximize flavor, this is worth a serious look. This book provides scaled recipes that are perfect for solo dinners, ensuring you don't end up with a ton of leftovers. Plus, it includes no-waste solutions and time-saving tips that can make cooking less of a chore. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cooking can be daunting for one, but these recipes are designed to keep things simple and enjoyable. With a focus on efficiency, you can whip up tasty meals without the fuss. Now, some readers might find that the focus on single-serving meals limits their options. But here's the thing. If you regularly find yourself cooking solo, this book is a treasure trove of practical solutions that can make your life easier. This is perfect for you if you often cook just for yourself and want to reduce food waste. Skip this one if you usually cook for a family or a group. At under $15, it's a great investment in your culinary independence.
So, to recap, we've covered a dedicated logbook for granite maintenance, a kitchen budget guide, a renovation roadmap, a cryptocurrency strategy book, and a cooking guide for one. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, making them thoughtful investments for your kitchen. Whether you want to save money, simplify cooking, or renovate, there's definitely something here for you.